Hi friends, welcome back to Programmer Guide YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the consumer predefined functional interfaces. See, as of now, we have covered the two predefined functional interfaces. One is the predicate, second is the function. Now we will see the consumer, what it use and how it is going to be written and example programs. Okay, consumer interface represents an operation that accepts the single argument and returns no result. I mean, what I meant to say is, suppose your requirement is like accept the input and perform the operation, but does not don't want to return any result, right? Return types, right? Then you can choose the consumer as the predefined object. I mean, here, right, we are having the one single abstract method accept. Okay, that means it does not have the any returns. Since it is a void, right, we can do the operation and log the data or print the data by using the sysouts. Okay, otherwise you can use that consumer to perform other operations. Okay, see, now we will see how it is going to be work and what is the, I mean, consumer method chaining are there. Okay, those and all are we can see with examples. And I forget to mention that consumer is also having the method chaining or join method. Okay, that is the and then. Okay, so here, right, it returns composed consumer wherein the parameter consumer will be executed first and then after the first one. Okay, that means whenever consumer 1 dot consumer 2 is there, right, parameter whatever the parameterized consumer is there, right, in this block consumer super t after is there, right, it is going to be execute after the before one consumer. Okay, once you see the examples, right, you will understand better way. So let's go to the example program. Okay, see, I have taken the one consumer example. Here string is the input value and we are not going to be written anything. Okay, see, since we are taking the input value, right, and simply printing the data, otherwise we can perform some operations also. Okay, like in the system dot out dot println, right, like s dot length. Okay, so anyway, operation which don't want to return anything, right, you can do this. I mean, we can choose this. See, if you go here, right, it is the 14 characters are there in this, so that is going to be written. Suppose if you remove this some up to tutorials, right, you can see. See, 5 Java 8 is the 5 characters. So such a way, right, whatever the taken input and does not want to return anything, right, we can choose the consumer as the our predefined functional interface. Now I am taking the in the same example, right, customized consumer, I mean customized consumer interface, how it is going to be work. Okay, suppose I am taken as a list and adding the some data. So in this customer object, right, as we defined, we are having the name, number of orders and order from. So I am going to return this one. Okay, here, right, consumer system sysout, right, we can take here it is the input variable, right, input parameter or input variable for the lambda expression. So since it is accepting the consumer, right, I am taking the printing the name, number of orders and order from. Okay, and separated between the each object I given the star. Okay, so here for loop I am taking the list and consumer dot accept. So consumer, as I told, right, consumer is having the single abstract method which does not going to return anything. So it simply take the input whatever the object we are providing. So let's run the example. See here, right, for, I mean, ignore this first line. Okay, second onwards you can consider like a Thomas 10 mobile. See, Thomas and mobile. Each and every data we are going to print it. Okay. So suppose if you want to add some operation, right, on top of the given data, then we can perform also and we can return that value. Okay. Like suppose, right, it is accepting the object, and after accepting, right, we need to add the or concatenating the some string. Okay. Then hello. So after adding concatenation, right, this need to be you assigned to the another variable and need to be used somewhere else. Okay. Such kind of situations we can take this consumer. See, each and every Krishna, hello, 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 everywhere it is has been appended. So that is our major goal, how it is going to be work. Now we will see the example how consumer chaining it is going to be work. Okay. Suppose there is a one consumer, it is a string as the input parameter, and we are going to print and consumer 2 and printing the data of whatever we are given the input. Okay. So here, right, as per our explanation, consumer 1 need to be execute first and then consumer 2 need to be execute while giving the accept method of consumer joining. Let's run this example. See, welcome it is going to be executed first, and welcome Java it is there. See, there is only one method is available in the consumer. There is no other static or default methods like compose or then. So this is the only method we are having. Okay. You can concatenate more than one consumers in a single object. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the content of the video, please like and share the video with your friends. Please subscribe the Programmer Guide YouTube channel for more videos. In future, right, I am going to explain about the Java interview questions and answers, Hibernate video tutorials, Spring Boot, Spring microservices, Docker, Kubernetes, and many more Java related technologies like Git, Jira, and other familiar technologies like which is going to use the code coverage, right, like SonarQube and all. So please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.